Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing Steam and the controller. Open Steam, plug or pair the Xbox controller, and verify it appears in Controllers. Once done, go to Steam Settings, General Controller Settings, and check PlayStation configuration support. This tells Steam to use PlayStation-style mappings and icons. Do this now so Steam can override X input defaults. It lets you remap buttons to Ps4 layout. Make sure Steam recognizes the device before continuing to custom mapping. Next, you build the mapping. Enter Big Picture mode, pick the game, and open controller configuration. Now manually assign each physical Xbox input to the Ps4 equivalent. Set it across, B to circle, X to square, Y to triangle, bumpers/triggers to L1/L2 and R1/R2, and remap sticks and touchpad actions if needed. Once finished, save this as a personal override profile so Steam applies it automatically. This ensures consistent in-game prompts and correct button behavior. To finish, launch the game and verify controls and on-screen prompts match Ps4 labels. If something feels off, return to the configuration and tweak stick dead zones, trigger curves, or button mappings. Save updates. If Steam still displays Xbox icons, disable then re-enable PlayStation configuration support and restart Steam to force the profile refresh. If problems persist, create a fresh profile or remove conflicting controller software. This completes the conversion and keeps a predictable Ps4-style layout across your Steam library.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.